Hi there, my name is Kim and these are the Wayrider Chronicles, my alternative look at current affairs. Hi there, today I'd like to talk about the difference between ICOs and IPOs. Right, need some definition here. Let's start with an ICO. An ICO is initial coin offering. That's what the acronym means. It's to do with digital crypto coins that when there is a new coin, it's called an ICO. IPO, on the other hand, is initial public offering. This refers to a stock or a company normally in the United States, but lots of countries have initial public offerings, but the vast majority of them seem to occur in the United States at any one time. When a company that is initially private wishes to go public, it's called an IPO, initial public offering. So the company is already trading, it has a business, it is making money, or should be making money. We could go into a lot of detail whether there are companies that issue that don't make money. That was the case during the dot-com boom, and has been the case in the past where companies have tremendous revenue but are not actually profitable. But anyway, let's leave aside those for the moment. Normally they are making money and they wish to expand. That was the traditional way of raising capital to expand their business. So they would issue additional shares to the general public through a procedure called the initial public offering, and the shares would be quoted on one of the American stock exchanges. Initial offering for a new coin is an offering for a new cryptocurrency coin, crypto coin, which can be basically anything or nothing. So to compare and contrast with an ICO, initial coin offering. Initial coin offering is something at first view similar to an IPO in that it's an offering of, we call them coins, we don't call them shares, in a company that will issue these coins on a blockchain. The major difference is that these companies issuing, they're not even, let's say, companies. We have the IPO market, which is strictly regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States, and the ICO market, the coins issued on various blockchains, that is completely unregulated. It's somehow absurd that we have a huge percentage of crypto coins trading at the moment on all the major crypto exchanges that are essentially issued on a whim and a prayer. At the worst case scenario, there is some guy sitting in his bedroom who's decided to issue a coin which is called, you name it, elephant coin or ant coin or whatever. There was one the other day that was up some thousands of percent, which is actually called condom coin. Go figure. If he knows if he's got the programming know-how, it's not that difficult these days, to issue this coin using the Ethereum blockchain or another blockchain, usually Ethereum blockchain, and creates these coins out of thin air, which then go traded, and a story is pumped out into the various forums on the crypto information network. It could be X, it could be a specialized forum, or it could be via, and a scenario is created. This coin called Zebra coin is going to be the next biggest thing since zebras don't have stripes, something like that. Just invent some story, and people get behind it, and it goes up in price. The guy who invented these, not only because we have in the IPO market, when shares in public traded companies drop below $1, they're called penny shares, or usually they're trading for cents on the dollar. In America, they're called cents on the dollar pennies. So they're trading for nothing. You'll get guys who buy them up and then create a story and then sell them as the price rises. It doesn't take very much. If they bought 10,000 or 20,000 or 100,000 shares at a cent a share, and it goes up to 50 cents a share, well, go figure, they've made money. They pump up a story, and it's called the pump and dump scheme. So you pump up the story, and as the buying starts, you as the original holder are selling into that buying. In the ICO market, in the initial coin market, you don't even need to buy up. You don't make any investment whatsoever except your internet connection and paying your internet service provider to issue a coin and do exactly the same thing. But it didn't cost you anything in the first place. So it's pure profit. And then one day you all disappear. You can go onto any decent failed or dead coin statistic site and see how many over the years, even, and it's still going on, that have been subject to this. Come through the more sophisticated them make up at least some sort of story. A lot of them don't even bother. It's just, even a 5-year-old would look at it and say, well, that doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any difference because some idiot will buy it. And it's unregulated mayhem, which is fine because in the markets we always have an expression which is buyer beware. However, this way of issuing, and we haven't even got anywhere near airdrops, this way of issuing new coins to the market, which is totally unregulated and totally, let's face it, rubbish, is part of the market which still to this day, some of the biggest crypto financial journalist fans will continue to say, we're still waiting for the magic application of a coin related to the blockchain that will actually do something except being a means of financial speculation. Who knows? One day, I'll tell you when it will be one day, is when the central banks issue their own blockchain currencies. Then the whole ballgame will change. See you guys.